Hi, Todd VanDenburg here with VanDenburg Capital Management and another Uncommon Sense update. So as we report today, we find that a little over half of the S&P 500 companies have reported earnings for the first quarter, and what we find is 79% of them have beaten expectations for revenue, and 74% have beat expectations for earnings. So all really positive news. In fact, when you look at just a handful of weeks ago, when it was estimated what earnings might look like in the first quarter, it was estimated that earnings would be up a little over 17%. And in reality, what we're seeing is that earnings are up over 23%. Those are all really good numbers, and we're sort of excited about them because what they show is, when companies make more money, well, stock market prices tend to go up. They don't always, but they certainly don't always go up if earnings are going down. So we definitely like to see earnings up and up as big as they are. That's a really positive thing. So what happens with all these earnings? What's driving this? And so some other data that came out had to do with personal income, and personal income is up this year, but what I want to focus on is real disposable personal income. So far, year to date, on an annualized basis, disposable income, that's after-tax income, is up 5.9%. Again, very positive when you look at real expenditures are only up 2.9%. So there's some extra money there that who knows what's going to happen with it. But I don't know if history repeats itself. When you give people a little bit extra money, what do they do with it? They typically spend it, and they'll spend it in a variety of ways. They might save some, but they're going to spend, and when they spend, that's potentially increases revenue, and which increases earnings, and we have this virtuous cycle that we could be at the front end of. So we're going to watch this pretty closely. We think it's pretty important, but with again half of the S&P reporting earnings up over 23%. That's a pretty good start to the earnings season. So that was your moment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like, give us a share, and we'll be back next week with another Uncommon Sense update. Thanks for watching.